was having a hard time finding a new position. So countless interviews, countless emails back and forth, nothing really going anywhere. It was very tough. And then I came across Ayers, completely different world than what I'm used to. So from the beginning, though, it truly felt very different. But what makes it so special for me is since the first day that I walked through the door, completely felt like I could be 100% myself. I don't have to be afraid to show my personality when I'm speaking with customers or when I'm speaking with any of my coworkers. I feel safe and I feel at home, which is something that I have not felt in a very long time. One of the biggest things that I've learned being here as Ayers is truly redefining the industry. For me, it's huge because I've never worked in this type of position before, and I can see that that is something that they're very passionate about. And they're not just redefining the industry, they're really defining what it means to care about your customers. So one of my favorite things that's talked about a lot is the work-life integration. So what's rewarding for me is at the end of the day, when I go home to my family, I have 2 young kids, 5 and 1. I'm not left feeling drained at the end of the day. I'm actually feeling a lot more pumped up because I know the work that I'm doing, I'm changing lives essentially, and I kind of carry that into my home life with my family and transferring that energy into them. We're happy, we're excited about the day, and I'm excited to be just as impactful in my kids' lives as I am with our customers that I speak to every day. The change that my family have noticed is, to be honest, a complete 360. They definitely can tell that I've found a passion that I didn't even know was there. I don't have to worry about not being there for my kids. The impact is incredible. I go home and I sleep very well at night. So.